Today, pag-uusapan natin kung bakit ba nag-fail ang first dates at hindi na nasusundan ng second dates. Konting spoilers lang, this is not because of the girl, not because of your money and looks, but because of your energy. Let's talk about how your best masculine version can lead the entire date from start to finish. At hindi lang basta yon, we will make sure she will feel safe, feminine, and drawn more into you. All of this without spending more than 1,000 pesos sa every dates nyo. So, kung ikaw ay nag-ghost na after ng date at sinabi niyang, alam mo, mabait ka naman eh, pero wala akong nararamdaman spark. Then, para sa'yo tong video na to, let's dive in. So, here's what 90% of guys do. May message nila yung girl, hey, saan mo gusto kumain? Ano bang trip mong gawin? What do you want to do? While it sounds respectful, nice, and you care about her at kung ano yung gusto niya, maniwala ka man o sa hindi, ito yung number one reason kung bakit hindi ka niya nagugustuhan. It instantly kills attraction. Kasi when you act like the nice guy na who cannot lead, walang sariling desisyon, will do anything to get her validation, you will lose the masculine polarity.